First trip here this entire year. All right, maybe a little dramatic. We're only a few days into the new year. This is the Foot Locker outlet out in East LA. And of course, they got 50% off pretty much everything here. Oh wow, ever since they got that deal, looks like they've moved a lot of stuff, a lot less stuff than the last time we came here. It was also the holidays. They got the Kobe 9 Elites right here. I have a feeling this is not 50% off, I'll verify, but that is crazy to see these, especially at a discount. That's freaking insane. Freaking insane. This looks like a size 8 right here. I'll check to see if it is 50 off. So even if that's not 50 off, everything else here is 50% off. I think someone in the comment section mentioned these are not 50 off. And I know for sure these weren't 50 off. These were down to way cheap too though. They were like 130 or something like that, 129.99 or something. And ever since they had the 50% off, the resellers have been hitting this place really hard. So you do have to come by pretty frequently. So if you happen to be in the area, make sure you stop by. But just like most other spots, it is holiday season, so they probably sold a lot of stuff. This is the women's section right here. They got apparel all along the middle, as well as on the wall right here. All this 50 off. They do got a couple jerseys. Booker jerseys right here, and they go for $40. Holy crap. They got a couple sizes, double XL. Yeah, that's it, double XL. Like I said, you have to come here pretty frequently because it gets hit really hard. Do got a Jimmy Butler, old school Jimmy Butler jersey here as well. They got these Jordan hockey jerseys. These are small. They're marked to 80, so they're probably going for 40. They got a few different sizes. They even have hats back here as well as socks and underwear. And they even have a kids Foot Locker attached as well. Do want to knock out the men's section. It is a little bare compared to normal. They do got Air Max 1s, go for 35, 45 for next gen. LeBrons and 55 for these. I think that's cheaper than Ross, dude. A lot of these cheaper than Ross. $40 for the KDs. Wait, definitely cheaper. Yeah, Ross been having these for more than 35 bucks. 30 for the older Lucas. Blazers for 30, and then these Cortez right here. These pretty loud Cortez go for 25. We got Samoas right here for 20. We got 2 other colorways right there. Campus. This is a pretty cool colorway too. Like the material on them for $30 freaking dollars. This mustard one, I'm not the biggest fan of. Got a couple of forums down there. What's this one going for? Just so you guys know. So yeah, $20 for a bunch of forums. Couple more colorways right here. That means these are going for 15 bucks cheaper. Way cheaper than Ross. Holy crap. So the selection, especially amongst hype sneakers, not the greatest, but the prices are just amazing. $45 for these bad boys right here. So they have men's sneakers all along the side right here. Then I did notice on the tables they have some shoes that are not on the wall right here, like these. I don't know what the hell these are, to be really honest, but they got Asics here for $40. They got a ton of those right here. I didn't see these Hokas on the wall either. What are these? Oh, Mafate Speed 2s. It is 50% off retail, which is pretty dope to get Hokas for 50% off. That's cheaper than Ross. My bad, I'm tripping. Look, this is the Mafate Speed. I was reading the boxes. This is the Mafate Speed 2s at 50% off. That's definitely the cheapest. I've seen these bad boys right here. I think they're trail running shoes. And then the Rincons. These are the Rincons. They also got these Spizikes for $65, really? That's definitely the cheapest I've seen Spizikes. Like cheaper than the outlet even on the back wall. Got Curry's right here. Man, it's all tripping me out because I saw Luca box. Curry's right here. Only got an 11.5 though, but yeah, 50 off of those. They got this P6000 right here. I don't think there's much going on in one of my other videos. I'll try to speed this one up. I'll try to move this one up. Got some New Balances, plenty of sizes in those. Got these 1000s, got a few sizes, 10.5, 12s, 13s. And then these warped, whatever the hell these are, what are they called? Just a warped? Kind of a weird name. 70, so 35 for these. Got plenty of sizes. I do need some shorts for running. Maybe I should grab some Locker brand, because Locker brand, it won't It won't matter what brand shoes I run with. And these are hella cheap. Are these 50% off 15 bucks? Yeah, I might have to grab one of these for if they're $7.50, I'm gonna have to ask. See if they have a medium. Yeah, they got a medium right here. This ain't bad. This ain't bad. It's not necessarily, it's not too long, but it's not too short. It's like knee height, so that's not bad. I can use these for running. I usually run in basketball shorts, to be real honest. I'm gonna check on the pricing. Now, like I said, I'm gonna verify the price, and I might have to grab those. Like these ain't bad either. Right here, heavyweight fleece shorts right here. They're listed as 20, so they go for 10. These New Balance, these ain't bad. Maybe I'm gonna have to look at these because I do run with New Balance shoes on, and this actually might match with my current running shoe. Mine's like a creamish yellowish shoe right here. These are normally $65. Are they down to $10 really? They got Adidas shorts here as well. So they got a little bit of everything. More options right here. They got one medium. This is a little shorter than I like, but I do like the fact that it's light color, and that'll help me from getting run over for when I run hella late. So I usually run like 10 p.m. and stuff. But yeah, 65. And I think they're down to 10 bucks. These would actually probably help even more. Yeah, this is like 3M and stuff, or it's reflective. We just call it 3M, but that probably would be ideal, but I don't know. Do I have any? I would need like black. I would need something black or something, but I don't know. Maybe if they have a medium, maybe I might have to look at these too. I kind of don't like getting run over, so I only see large and extra large, so dang it. Dang it. Oh well. All right, let's finish off the men's sneaker section. Oh, they do have the Mafate Speeds right here, and it is marked down. It is marked down to 160. So I don't know. I think they're like 200, 180 or 200. So these are going for $80. You're definitely not gonna find that cheaper anywhere else. And that baby's been crying the whole freaking time, dude. Dang. But yeah, 50 bucks, so 25. Never heard of anybody talk about Lacoste sneakers, but yeah, they got some. They got these Converse. I've never heard anybody talk about these either, though. But yeah, they got some leather Chucks, right? $5 for leather. $5? $5 for leather. Oh god dang it. Yeah, $5 for Chucks. Holy crap. I'm gonna try to figure out how to. Oh wait. All right, I fixed it. $5 for Chucks. These are all leather. I already know all the good size are taken because that's what happens when they drop price like that. Freaking $5, size 13 on display. Maybe they have other sizes. I doubt it. They got a few going for $20 here, 25, and then, oh wait, let's go with this one. 25 for the all white, and then $20 for Reebok Classics. These are pretty clean. Wear that with jeans and a white tee, look hella clean. Okay, yeah, that was what confused me. I think these belong over here right next to the other classic leathers. Those are 40 as well, the black ones. Then they even got Vans for 25 bucks. Got Superstars. This is a leather Superstar right here for 25. Oh, and then they got the white one down here. Slides off season, $15. Man, they got some deals, yo. They got some deals. Oh shit, I just realized I forgot to give my niece, I forgot to give her some Crocs for her Christmas present. God dang it. I bought other stuff for her, so I just gave that. I guess I'll have to drop it off this upcoming week. Dang it. It's still in the box in my apartment. I forgot about that. But they got these. Is it Jigglypuff? Jigglypuff? I always think Kirby. But yeah, they got a bunch of these for 20 bucks. All kinds of sizes. And they got the Nightmare Before Christmas for 20. They got regular ones for 15 bucks. That's definitely cheaper than Ross, because I've been tripping because they trying to sell theirs for $30, $40. They're still 15 for those as well. I did have one of the workers check this, $10 freaking $10. It's gonna help me. It's gonna help me not get run over. That's what's gonna do. They have more Locker brand apparel right here, and these are 50% off retail, so 35, and it's 50% off. They got other shorts right here. What brand are these shorts? Are these New Balance? Yeah, I think these are New Balance. Yeah, New Balance shorts. I'm not a fan of this material. It is obviously way better for when it rains, but I don't run when it rains anyway, so I'm gonna pass on these. But those are $10, and they got them in other colors too. They got Locker brand cargo, or oh no, Carpenter. These are actually technically Carpenter shorts right here. These are hella cheap at 15 minus 50 off. They got Nike shorts for women. I think these are for women, right? So I think that's for women. $10. $10 right here. I got $5 thing for women. Ooh, is this for? Oh, this is just says all city recreation. So yeah, they got stuff for women hella cheap. Look at the shorts, baggy shorts for $5. Damn. Back in the middle section, I forgot to show you guys everything that they don't have on the wall. Dude, got Pegasus 2005. I thought these were the Pegasus Wave. Pegasus 2005, $40. Air Max ones. I think I showed you these, right? The V2K runs right here. What's the magic price? What's the magic price? $30. Definitely the cheapest we've seen for those. Got Campuses, Specials right here. I think we've seen all these on the wall. Yep. All right, let's go see what's up with the kids' Foot Locker. Grade school section right here. I've never seen these. These are crazy. Look, got laces making up the Nike sign right here. That's pretty crazy. $30 for those. Jordan 3 grade school right here. Pretty freaking cheap, especially. I'm pretty sure you get the 50 off. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, I do get these as well. Did say most of the stuff is ringing up. They don't really know until you ring it up. So got Kobe's, got Zion's right here, freaking $30. Foams, I'm not 100% sure. Got these Asics. What are these? I saw these at Ross or something. The Mega Rides. Got the Mega Rides right here for $25. Gazelles, Campus, all down to $20 freaking dollars. Got the Gazelles with the 3 midsoles. I don't understand this look. Like, who's into that? Who is into that? Jordan did that with the Jordan 1s too. What the hell? Who's buying that stuff, really? That's why it's $15, you guys. What are these companies doing? Sometimes they just try too hard. $25. The Converse, and then got $25 and $20 for the Samba and Campuses right here. I like the suede on this one. They got $5 Nike t-shirts right here. They got a few of those for grade school. They got a $10 one right here. This one's pretty freaking fun right here. That's pretty funny. That's like old school and one stuff where they're trying to clown on fools. But yeah, $5 for that Adidas shirt. They got other pieces here as well. Some interesting stuff. Definitely worth checking out for your, for your kiddos. Look at this, $25 for that. Retail, I'm sure way higher. Yeah, $55. They also got preschool stuff over there. Kinds of preschool stuff. Also got socks and all that stuff too. Even got Crocs for the little ones, the teeny tiny Crocs right there, and then even grade school, $10 for these Crocs. Look at this, you can't beat that. $10 freaking dollars. They got multiple colorways. This one's going for 10 as well, and then 10 for these, and even the green ones. See what I do got on feet? Do got these bad boys right here. Jordan 1 green glows. I do not tie my laces, I'm too lazy. Wearing these bad boys. And then did find the matching jacket, tech fleece as well. I think I paid like $30 for the tech fleece. Just freaking crazy, but yeah, it's my fit for the day. All right, let's look at some of the other random stuff over here. Hat wise, not really seeing too much. $10 Yankees hat in green, kind of random. They got these. These are a freaking fitted hat right here. So $22 for those. They got a few sizes, and then they also got these right here. What are these? The Brewers. These the Brewers right here. $22 for these. These are new era fitted hats, so not bad. They got the Houston Astro. If you don't mind cheaters, they got these right here for $34. I'm just talking shit just to talk shit. I don't even follow baseball like that. But yeah, they do have $15 for these. $15? Are you serious? That's way cheaper than I got mine. I got mine at Ross, I think. And then they also have these messenger bags right here. $40 for New Balance messenger bags. They got $5 underwear if that's your thing. These are a little bit more, but some of them are on clearance for $10. South Park ones here, $14. Normally $28. That's, I don't know. Is that just me that thinks that's crazy? I don't know. They got the what is this, like a wristlet for freaking athletes? I don't know. But $10. I've been using a fanny pack. I've been using my fanny pack at the gym. And I just put it around my shoulders But yeah, that's been hella useful. These are going for $7.50. $7.50. I got these normally 50 off. And they got socks right here, Locker brand socks for freaking 15, a 3-pack for 15, and then they got the performance ones here for $5. $5. I'm not thinking that color. They got scrunchy socks. Scrunchy socks making a comeback. I've been seeing women wear these lately. And then yeah, they got a bunch of Adidas ones here as well. 15 for the cruise socks for a 3-pack. These definitely look more premium than the regular ones. But yeah, $15. These normally are like 24, so not bad. I was like, I'm done, and then I forgot the women's section right here. They got 2 sections, 2 walls. I got 2 walls over here. Look, these are cheaper than Ross. The DN8s, they're going for 55 and 50. Regular DN's even cheaper at 40 and 45. Jordan 1s, if you need some budget Jordan 1s, $40 for these bad boys right here. Jordan 2s for 30. I'd much rather come here than Ross. But yeah, 6s go for $55. Gamma's 25. That's definitely cheaper than Ross. They're gonna have more sizes here. Shopping experience way better here. Yeah, man, if you're in LA, come here. Instead of going to 75 different Rosses, but you gotta kind of have to come here pretty often, just like the different Rosses too. At least go to 5-6 different Rosses a week. At least they're not too far away. Taekwondo's right here go for $15. SL72 is $15, being given away. Samba's 30. They got Chucks for $20 right here. Some Saucony grids right here. You feel like we don't see Saucony that often. If you like these, I'm not too big of a fan. And they got a few Chucks, $15 for those, but I think that's about it. Yeah, I think that's about it. Let me grab this right here, and if after I get this, I can do a survey. Use that survey coupon for something else in the future. I haven't done one of those surveys in forever. I feel like, damn. $10, normally $65. Not bad. They give me a kids Foot Locker. Yeah, apparently their small bags are kids Foot Locker. All right, we out, man. I love this spot. Let's go.